All right, now onto the nails. You can go faster and you can go slower as well. Overall, I think this thing works fantastic. Hello, my friends. Today we're taking a look at the SKIL Auto Hammer Kit. So let's go ahead, open this up. Brushless motor, nice. I like how small and compact it is. So this is the battery, and you could charge the battery right through. Oh no, that's for, I believe powering. You can actually charge a device with that. That's actually pretty cool. I like that they give you this protector cover as well for the connector ends, so you don't get anything down in there. Wow, that's actually really impressive that you can use this to charge devices with. Talk about handy. And then, of course, to charge this, they give you your full charger, and you would just slide that on like that. You can use that for jumping and all that fun stuff as well, because this is a full kit. You can even charge stuff with the port there as well. Very nice. Very, very nice. Of course, you got your manual and accessories to place the battery in. You just slide it in like that. What do you say we test this out? All right, now onto the nails. You can go faster and you can go slower as well. Overall, I think this thing works fantastic.